In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your shopping cart on the Temu app or website. Sharing your cart can be incredibly convenient, especially if you have a bunch of items you'd like someone to look over or if you're considering a purchase together with a friend or family member. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, open up the Temu app or head to the Temu website. Once you've got that open, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials so you can access all of your saved items and cart features. Once you're logged in, find the cart icon. This is usually located at the bottom of the screen if you're using the app. Give that a tap and you'll be directed to a page where you can review all the items you've currently added to your cart. This is a good time to take a moment and review your cart. Make sure everything you want to share is already added. Double check the items, quantities, and any other details that are important to you or to the person you're sharing with. If there's anything missing, you can add those items now before moving on to the sharing part. Now look for the share option. Depending on the layout, this could be labeled differently, but generally you'll want to find a button that says share cart or just share. It's often placed at the top or bottom of the cart page. Tap on that once you've located it. Temu offers several methods for you to share your cart. You can do this by copying a link, which you can then send via text, email, or through any other app you prefer. Alternatively, you might see options for direct sharing through popular platforms like WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, TikTok, and more. Choose the method that works best for you and your intended recipient. After you've selected your preferred sharing method, go ahead and paste a link or use the app's share function to send your cart. When the recipient receives your link, they can simply click on it. This will automatically redirect them to Temu, where they'll be able to view all the items you've selected. Now, all that's left is for them to decide if they want to make a purchase, either together with you or to provide feedback or suggestions. It's a straightforward and versatile feature that can make collaborative shopping much easier. So there you have it. A quick and easy way to share your Temu cart with friends or family. I hope this guide has been helpful and that sharing your cart makes your shopping experience more enjoyable. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.